Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so this particular song is by Efe Grace. Lord, have your way. Okay, so this particular song was done in the key of G sharp, but I'll be playing the key of F. Okay, has the intro, has the verse and the chorus. Okay, I'm going to take you through everything. Okay, so if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be. The song started off with an intro like this. So what is that? Let's concentrate on the right hand side. I'm doing do ti so. Okay, so that is do ti so. Okay, do ti so do. Okay, do so. Okay, do so. But the do, I'm doing one down, one up, then so, then so do so. Okay, alright, then you come to the intro. Okay, so let's check the chords for the intro. Okay, so it goes from the 2, then 4, then 1, then 5. There's one important thing that you need to bear in mind. Okay, so the intro which they were playing with lead guitar. Okay, so in my church I have 2 keyboards. I basically mount one up to be the lead guitar, then I will play this particular thing because that's what they used to play in the song. Okay, but even if you don't have lead guitar, you can basically play with the piano and the pad. That is that's re mi la. Okay, re mi la, then you hit the re chord. Okay, mi re la mi re, then you move to the fa, then do re so re do so do ti. One more time, re mi la mi re la mi re do re so do ti. Okay, then the verse will basically start. Okay, the verse started off with this particular progression. Okay, it goes from this. Alright, so what is that? I'm doing the 2 chord, the re. That's the first chord they use. Okay, so on the re, I have the G, I have the D, I have the G, I have the B flat, D, F, B flat. Then I have the 4. Okay, the 4 is the same as the fa. Then I have the do, then so. Okay, so basically the re, the fa, the do, then the so. So it will be like, as the deep pants for water, so my soul thirsts for you. As the deep pants for water, so my soul thirsts for you. As the deep pants for water, so my soul thirsts for you. As the deep pants for water, so my soul thirsts for you. Okay, so that is the verse. Okay, but there's a trick here. Okay, basically the progression they use for this particular song, okay, is totally the same chords. Okay, but there's an additional thing that they did. I'm going to be showing you. Okay, so the Lord have your way. Lord have your way part, the same chord, re, fa, do, so, And here the passing chord I did was, okay, that is fa, fa, do, so, mi, fa. Okay, this particular chord is fa, but I don't know why most online tutorials they are saying that it's la. Okay, this la. Okay, this la, but this fa, this not la. Okay, but most people will be saying that because when you do the inversion here, okay, this basically fa, but most people say it's la. This not la. Okay, so kindly take notes. So that's why I'm saying fa, do. Okay, fa, do, so, mi, fa. Then you hit the fa chord. Then you come to basically do. Okay. As the deep ends for water, so my soul does for you. As the deep ends for water, so my soul does for you. As the deep ends for water, so my soul does for you. You see that I added the TV in the first verse, okay? So that's basically it. I'll draw the curtains down for today's lesson. I'll see you in another video, okay? Subscribe if you haven't. More videos like this is coming, okay? Bye.